Welcome to the Social Science Human Services Division at Reading Area Community College. My name is Dr. Robin Ecker, Associate Dean of the Social Science Human Services Division. In the Social Science Human Service Division, we really have two parts that we look at. Our first part is our social sciences program and coursework. Some of the courses are part of general studies, and we have a program called Social Science Transfer as well. That program allows students to focus on anthropology, history, and sociology, and mix up the classes. It's really designed as a transfer program. Great place to start if you're not sure and you're looking for a liberal arts transfer, or you're looking for history or anthropology. It's a great place to start, and transfers pretty much everywhere. Then we have the helping professions in this division. The helping professions, we have several programs, and they are set up to be either an Associate in Applied Science, which is a workforce ready program that has a pathway to a bachelor's degree, or their Associate of Arts degrees, which are designed to be the transfer program to a bachelor degree. And they are all career focused. The first of the programs in the helping professions is Addiction Studies and Human Services. This program is designed for students either to enter the workforce or to transfer. Primary focus is transfer. It transfers to behavioral health, psychology or counseling, addiction studies, or human service programs. Career paths for students who are interested in this program are things like addiction counselors, drug and alcohol counselors, and human service workers. Criminal justice is another program in the helping professions. This program is an AAS degree, so it's an applied science, so it's designed for the workforce. However, it transfers very easily to local colleges in the criminal justice program. Career path for criminal justice students are jobs within law enforcement agencies, legal system, corrections, prisons, and probation. Another program in the helping professions is early childhood education programs. We have several programs in early childhood education here at RAC. First program is a certificate designed for very entry-level work in childcare, and it also is designed for people who are incumbent workers who are working in a center saying, I'm ready to come back to school. So that program is at the certificate level. It is nested into our Associate of Applied Science programs. We have two of those. We have a pre-K grade 4 AAS degree, and we also have an early childhood management AAS degree. Those programs are designed to be workforce programs and help students move right into the workforce. The career path for those are childcare. In childcare, you could be a group supervisor, you could be a Head Start educator, you could be a pre-K educator, work as an assistant teacher, and work in childcare centers. The early childhood pre-K grade 4 AAS program is also a program designed for transfer. It's a program that is considered a program-to-program transfer so that students who complete that program can continue to any Pennsylvania State University system college without loss of credits. We currently have an agreement with Kutztown University for degree completion here on RAC's campus. So it's a start here, stay here program. And again, completion of that bachelor's degree and certification from the state of Pennsylvania, well, the career path would be public school teacher, from preschool to grade 4. Another program in the Social Science Human Services Division is Education, Middle and Secondary AA degree, which is a transfer degree. This program is designed for students who are looking to be middle school or high school teachers. It is totally a transfer program. It does not prepare you for teaching in the system until you get your bachelor's degree. So the career path after successful completion of a teacher certification program and all the Pennsylvania certification requirements is teaching in the public school or private school in the middle school levels or high school levels. A Psychology Associate of Arts degree is another program in the Social Science Human Services Division that's in the helping professions. This program is designed to transfer to the bachelor's degree programs in psychology. It is a program-to-program transfer program to Pennsylvania State Universities. Students are able to take this program and transfer without loss of credit. In the career path, we're looking at things like being a counselor, a therapist, or working in a human service agency. However, the entry level for psychology is really at the master's degree level. The latest program in the Social Science Human Services Division that's in the helping professions is a Social Work Transfer Associate of Arts degree. This program is designed for transfer. It's also a program-to-program transfer, so it transfers to the Pennsylvania State University systems without loss of credit. We're excited that this program has transfer availability to Kutztown University right here on RAC's campus with our degree completion program with Kutztown. It's a start here, stay here program, and we graduated our first group of Kutztown graduates this spring. The career path for social work, jobs that include counseling, case management, work with children and youth agencies and hospitals, the entry level for a social worker is at the bachelor's degree level. Again, my name is Dr. Robin Eckert. I'm the Associate Dean of Social Science and Human Services Division here at Reading Area Community College. I look forward to meeting you when you attend the college, and if you need to reach out to me or have questions, you can contact me at reckert@rac.edu.